This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Godot with appropriate export templates and Git on your machine, plus Git LFS for big assets. Open your project folder, initialize or clone the GitHub repo, and add a concise Git ignore tailored for Godot. Once done, stage the core project files, project, Godot, scene files, scripts, then run git commit with a clear message and push to origin main. This creates the first checkpoint for collaboration and CI. Make sure your file structure is stable before continuing. Now focus on the middle steps. Branch often and keep changes scoped to one feature or bug. You create a feature branch, edit scenes and scripts inside Godot, and commit regularly. If you track large assets, ensure Git LFS handles. Import files. When import conflicts arise, re-import assets in Godot to regenerate metadata. Run the project locally and test the scenes before opening a pull request. Once the PR is reviewed, merge to main and pull into your local main to stay synchronized. Finish by automating releases and protecting your main branch. Add a GitHub Actions workflow that installs Godot, uses exported templates, and builds artifacts for target platforms. Tag releases semantically and upload build artifacts to GitHub releases. If something breaks after merge, missing textures, wrong imports, or failing builds, clear Godot's import cache, re-import problematic assets, and rerun the CI job. As a troubleshooting tip, keep a stable fallback branch to revert quickly while you debug and apply fixes incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.